This case is focused on the cupcake chaos at Crumbs Incorporation. And the Crumbs Incorporation is a company, whereas it is a popular gourmet cupcake bakery with one location. It has been experiencing a surge in popularity and thanks to a recent glowing review in a local food magazine. And it's seen that it has a 30% increase in daily orders and the lines are out the door. This is a fantastic news, but it is also causing some major operational challenges. And the problem here are, first, long wait times, where customers are complaining about long wait times for both in-store and pre-ordered cupcakes. And the second one is inventory shortages, where the bakery is frequently running out of popular cupcake flavors by mid-afternoon, frustrating customers with limited choices. And the third one is employee stress, where bakers are feeling overwhelmed with the increased workload and production pressure is impacting quality. And the meeting agenda here is, first, identify the bottlenecks, where we hold a meeting with Karen. Karen is a head baker here to identify the bottlenecks in the baking process. And the second one is short-term solution, whereas we brainstorm short-term solution to address current wait times and inventory shortages. And lastly, long-term solutions. We collaborate with a marketing manager, which is Patrice, to discuss long-term solution to manage customer expectation and potentially increase production capacity. And the main goal here is to develop a plan to address the current issue while ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining the high-quality standards of Crumbs Incorporation.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. So, nandito tayo ngayon at napansin ko na tayo ay may mga problema sa ating operasyon. Dulot ng pagtaas ng dami ng mga orders. So, kaya tayo ay magkakaroon ng isang meeting. So, ito yung magagawa natin ngayon para talakayin ang mga ito at maghanap ng mga solutions. Okay? So, ngayon, una gusto kong itanong kay Karen kung ano ang mga bottlenecks ang nakikita mo sa ating proseso sa pag-bake.
One of the main problem our business facing right now is ang pagtaas ng mga orders at ito ay sabay-sabay. And we cannot handle it right away, we cannot keep it right away. And yan yung reason na naka-apekto sa kalidad ng ating produkto.
Okay, I understand. So, sa mga sumunod na araw, magtutulungan tayo upang masolusyonan ito. So, ngayon, sa pangalawang bahagi ng ating pagtutulong, sino-sino ang mayroong mga suggestion para sa mga solution patungkol sa mga panahon ito?
Ako po, I have an idea. How about we just add more pick-up windows para sa mga pre-order at also, maiiwasan din natin ang mga habang bilang sa tindahan.
I also have a suggestion. We can also offer the pre-orders sa favorite flavors in order to ensure na may cupcakes pa rin available if they are right.
Maganda mga suggestions yun. So, sa pangalawang bahagi ng ating pagtutulong, tayo naman ay makikipagtulungan makikipagtulungan sa isang tao, ang marketing manager. So, bali, pupunta siya ngayon dito. So, ang pag-uusapan ang mga solution in this current situation. So, yun.
So, magandang araw. Nandito ako as the marketing manager. So, nandito ako para tumulong.
The meeting continues as they plan steps to address the issues and maintain Crumbs and Corporation's high quality standards. And with this, as we hold a meeting to pinpoint the bottlenecks in the baking process, we can provide insight into where delays are occurring and where production is struggling to keep up with demand. And this could include analyzing the workflow, equipment limitation, staffing issues, or any other factors affecting efficiency. The short-term solution of Crumbs and Corporation may implement pre-orders for specific flavors, and offering pickup windows can help manage customer expectation and alleviate wait times while optimizing inventory management to prevent shortages. And the long-term solution here is collaborating with Patrice, the marketing manager, to develop a comprehensive strategy that includes investment in staff training, process improvements, and potentially equipment upgrades within budgetary limitations, aiming to enhance production capacity and consistently meet customer demands while maintaining high-quality standards. That's it.
Plant our seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth when we celebrate the world. Celebrate the world. Come on and celebrate the world. Grow. It don't matter how you don't got it. Let it grow.
Wake up!
Let it grow.
Alam mo, bataan?